Alright, hello everyone. So now, uh, after we finish the eyes, I will show you how to make the hair cards. So there are several ways to do the hair cards, but I will show you the cleanest and the nicest way to use the hair cards, but it is the slowest one. Okay, so follow me and let's do this. So we need to convert this geometry to a subline. There are some scripts that can do that automatically, but why I like to do it individually, uh, because I want to control everything, and it won't take so much time. So I will go ahead and watch, for example, Netflix, or listen to music while I'm doing this one. Okay, press B. Okay, now we choose this edge. Okay, go to modify, convert. Okay, and let's choose polygon edges to curve. All right, so now here we have this curve. Okay, and we don't need this geometry anymore. Maybe you need to extrude another edge, or convert another edge. Okay, but let me delete this one. Okay, and let's choose this edge, this spline. Right click on it and let's choose curve points. Control vertex, and let's, for example, control these vertices. W, drag them up and down, or do whatever. Drag them to the model inside like this. Okay, for it's totally up to you. Okay, then object mode, choose the subline. Okay, and let's go to our bonus tools, modeling. The bonus tools, you can install them from the Autodesk website. It's really straightforward. It's not that difficult. And let's say curve to ribbon mesh. Now it will convert our subline to a curve mesh. So what do we have here? The dark face is facing the inside. This one should be facing outside. So let's go to the orientation and flip it. Now it is facing the right way. Okay, and let's control the tapper. All right, so I will go ahead and convert all of my geometry. Okay, this way. You can also the width subdivision, don't do that, the length subdivision, okay, into a decent amount, or it's totally up to you. Okay, so what do we have here? The curvature, let's make it like a little bit curved to the front. The width is fine, but you can make it wider. It depends on the place where's the hair is placed. Okay, and that's it. So thank you very much for watching. I will finish all my hair cards, and I will see you again in the next tutorial, while I will prepare this model for texturing in Substance Painter and Substance Designer. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and this is Mano signing out. Peace.